Anybody who gets involved in the smallest way of Carnival gets a piece of the whole thing.
It's always been the Butetown community that has held Carnival together.
Back when we done it, it was known as Tiger Bay then.
It's been a vision of Carnivals for a while to get back down to the docks and towards where the WMC is.
And celebrate Carnival and celebrate the docks and the bay and our forefathers who moved here in the early 19th century.
So this is a very important part of our story.
I am one of the people who designs costumes and designs the big structures that go out with the carnival.
The whole team is working hard to make everything look beautiful.
We have a bird theme, we have a water theme, a phoenix theme. It's just going to be really cool.
I'm Jefferson Lobo. I've been commissioned by Fogaty to write an African suite for the Butetown Carnival. I'm originally from Brazil. Carnival is a staple, and glue everything together. By having a carnival here, we can all borrow and learn from each other.
It's art, it's dance, it's theatre, everything on the street, it's music. It's something that needs to continue because we need to pass it on to the younger generation.
We've got a 5-year plan with the WMC, and I think we'll just go from strength to strength.
It used to be the community builds Carnival, but now we're trying to use Carnival to build community.